Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Save any drafts and close apps so nothing is lost. Once done, make sure the iPhone isn't connected to a charger. Now, press and hold the side button together with either volume up or volume down until you see the power off slider and emergency SOS. This combination brings up the controls because Face ID models remove a single button shutdown option. When the sliders appear, pause and get ready to swipe. The visual controls let you confirm the shutdown intentionally. Swipe the power off slider all the way across. You must move it deliberately, otherwise nothing happens. If you prefer a tap-driven route, open Settings, go to General, then choose Shutdown. This avoids using the hardware buttons. Make sure not to activate Emergency SOS when holding buttons. If the SOS option starts, release the buttons and cancel the call. After swiping or confirming shutdown, the screen will go black. This indicates the device is powering down, so wait a few seconds for the process to finish. To turn the iPhone back on, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This can take several seconds, so keep holding. If the phone didn't respond to shutdown or won't boot, perform a force restart. Quickly press volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the side button until the logo shows. Make sure to connect to a charger if the battery was low and wait 5 to 10 minutes before retrying. This resolves many unresponsive cases and prevents partial shutdown states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.